Hi everyone, my YouTube people. Now, good evening, everybody. Today we are going to talk about some issues that just arrived on YouTube, okay? About Ishan people, Ishan men in particular, okay? It has been long time I want to talk about this issue, but anyway, they don't take their hand, draw their leg, come out, okay? Because you see now, the little can say they too like pretend. Although me, I like Ishan, well, okay? I went to Isha land. I fall in love with Isha land, but e no mean say some people not dey wey still dey fuck up. E no mean say some people dey fuck up we no go talk am. You understand me? At times we too like to dey keep hide things. The thing go come big because we dey hide am. But if we tell person wey e be say e dey fuck up, say hey, you dey fuck up, you go know say e dey fuck up. You not supposed to dey fuck up, okay? So before we start this show, this talk, I want to speak my mind and still advise people, okay? Before we talk about this issue, I want to put my favorite music, Isha music, okay? Oya Meda. Oya, may we enjoy the music, okay? Before I go talk say I hate Isha. I no hate Isha. If I from buy my ticket from here go Nigeria, I spend more time for Isha land than Benin. So, but you know me say if some people they fuck up, me will not talk am because you know why? Nigeria women we too dey quiet. We too dey keep quiet. Things go come spoil. You don't need to dey keep quiet, make things come spoil at all. As soon as they fuck up, you go dey treat the fuck up for there immediately. Nothing like people, nothing like hide down. No, we be adults. Now free word with this. So we need to respect each other if we talk in our marriage. We need to treat each other well, treat each other right. Not be to tell woman say I love you, to the maltreat am. Oh. I will still play some audio because some of our Asian people where they say their story looks similar. They call for the program. They come they talk about experience where they don't get with Asian people. Of which say everything where they talk, one single lie not be inside. I don't experience am on my own skin. I don't see am. Okay? I don't put up with them. So I dey hear everything as they come for the program. I dey shout. How come the behavior dey identical? Why? I no believe my eye. You know investigation what I don't do about this tribe and behavior to the extent I don't go to their forum, Ishan forum. I don't enter Ishan forum. Make friends there. Go see so many comments. They put one this thing one day. They talk about their men. They ask questions, say if Isha men they treat women well. My God. When I dey read comments, imagine inside a whole comment, no one woman stand up talk say they are nice. Comment if you want, I go paste and join this video. I screenshot many. Isha men, they are not nice. They as according to their women, not with me talking. They are very proud according to their women. They don't know how to be romantic. they don't treat their in-law well, as according to the comments. Many of them, they are very promiscuous. They know they follow one woman. They know they take care of their children. I see so many comments for them. We mash many of the Asian men I don't see. When I go drink acid, it's not concern me. Okay, waiting my own eye see. And wait I go through for 14 years of marriage with this shaman. Now they talk, I know they shame. Okay, now I put that standard say make woman they bear am. But there are things you cannot bear, my sister. You have to take your stand and say, as Spanish talk, basta, enough, and move on with your life. You know Saturday shine. Eh? You know see my life. Come on, we'll go stay for one devilish marriage. We one person will come and feel say, who dash you? Ogbe mo kai me wo. I don't feel laugh. It's not ogbe mo kai me wo. I don't wait till me now. I be Isha. Okay, oh. Every complaint where those women complain for that video call, everything are true. Can you imagine? How can people behavior just be the same character? Eh? Ishama can tell you that if they come out now, if pikin grow, will come find out, he will move to the other woman, go give them belle, lie. Be like say lie. They can swear give them. They be like say every minute they are lying. They cannot stay so they not lie. Greediness, so if you say I lie, go Isha for me, go look am. A state where women not fit defend man, fear that man. A life now so it be like chewing. A state where their women not fit defend them. Get us to be. It get us to be. Some kind things when Ishama go do. Those category of Ishama, the women not go try and now what? What do they forbid? Ishama where they talk, where they say, as no one come say na their tradition. So Ishama no man, it will do you self. Make you go bring money for them, now you want. Because very greedy people in Spanish talk, say greedy. Very greedy people. They claim their tradition. I believe say traditional man supposed to they bring money for food, supposed to they train his children. Not be born for here, abado, born for here, abado, born for there, abado. It will lie give everybody. Imagine, maybe na cause they follow the generational cause for waiting their parents do other women. And the generational cause they follow many of them. Now this song be my own again. Oh yeah, maybe we enjoy music. It's a journey. Now so no time to check time. If they do those, say now let Benin a bad person. Benin. Meanwhile, some silent killer day. Okay, the video where they for they talk about them as far as they don't draw their leg come out, and the video they public. So one use the video, say talk, maybe say listen to their talk. As they talk, I feel the person who they identify those their behavior. Shame. Who see they no wrong? Or where he are? Who see Shama no wrong? Devil. Who they call devil? Not many of them be very greedy human being. All the victim where all those women call for that video talk, they not lie. I be not want to do this video because I know say they go quit. I not sense with 1 billion of mans made for this world. You say one die follow one will not be responsible. No. Not today. It shall be true. They say for the video say beating are their tradition. If Ishama cannot beat you here, he go they promise you say if you reach Nigeria, I will go beat you for Nigeria. Imagine after you don't see follow a year, Nigeria wey you suppose to dey enjoy your life, one man go dey promise you say na Nigeria go forbid you. Imagine. Each man go dey ask you with be mate. This one na man wey no know how to take dey bring money for food, cannot take care of the family. Or you want to dey lie and rant. They be like person wey dey swear for. And believe say many of them they are under curse. I not said though, I like when I go drink acid for this video, not concern me. They owe anybody money. Now I put the video where we want to talk this topic. Enough is enough. They say it's something too much. A person is talking. All of them they do suffering and smiling for all this shaman hand. They don't want to talk. Now so me myself still be before I don't want to talk because that's the way now they be. If they dey outside today, they will want hold you, they will want demonstrate for outsiders. Say they love you down. You when they with them. They want make outsiders believe say they be good man because they have low self-esteem. Many of them are complete classic narcissists. They want make all outsiders know say they're good because why do they do that thing? If you they complain, they'll say, madam, if you they complain, no be this your nice husband, no be this your nice husband. Devil, now they be. Each man, when you start to make money, you will have problem. You will just have problem. You go start to carry face. Each man can stay with you in the house 1 or 2 months. No will talk to you. The spirit of jealousy, they chop the. You know some people when they say devil send come meet some people for Europe, now they be. So be careful. Now when they talk say if they marry Billy, now lie. If Ishama go London come back, now still the same behavior get the bad ones inside. The same behavior now you get. If you like now London for grow. If you like now America for grow. Now the same bad behavior. We want when this thing when they do this behavior. So all those one when they talk, when I forget, lie for their mouth. So we'll get 6-7 children. They know we'll great talk. They will say, if I come and go Nigeria now, I go anywhere, I know tell the girls I don't born. I go see born more children. You too say some women, their heads, they have. Say you will go lie to one woman, say you get 7 children, you not tell her. You go put on top pepper for your food, you go die through away. Because not the old woman you feel life for. Destroy their life, you go waka. Come and they follow many. So when they careful, now they carry them. Shaman. See the wrong who get leg. This one they can pretenders. If you dey marry shaman for us, now you go to destroy you, now you go to scatter your name. They destroy you, no go know. You no go know. You go dey ask, say what you do. You no know say now you just dey destroy you. They go. Don't take them play. Very devilish men. Pretending, greediness, stinginess, as I talk for that video, it complete for their hand. Everything complete for their hand. That pretentious behavior, when they pretend. When you just get belly, now you go even tell you say boom. When you get belly, bam. Now then you go see the devilish, evil human being for inside them. Because they believe say you don't dey trap. If they don't get word of their mouth, when you know say Benin they call Enyenemo B. Now many of the Enyenemo B, Iri, Ibiekaya, now they B. That is why they talk say they are women, not they respect them. Because Enyenemo B, how you want to respect Enyenemo B? Man will not get word of his mouth. Man will go talk something today. He go do another thing tomorrow. How you want to respect them? Me can't analyze the thing for my head. So I can't notice say, forget all those their women don't get respect. Now their behavior they make that they react. Now make that they run, they call me Benin women because Benin women they don't feel married their women because all those ones their brain sharp. They could detect a bam. the thing go be confrontation between them. Benin woman go take am quiet because if you take that behavior there with some Benin men, it go favor am because Benin man they could recognize their behavior, they retract. But this shaman, it will continue. They go continue. The worst now they go they do. Now maybe they find other people to follow. This shanga no get big character. Why you go get character when you go lie, give am, go do everything, give am. You go from back they build us. You go send her 12 on her own. She go put money. When she go don't build the house, and she will the fans want to gamble and go. And you to say you go eat that money, you will live in peace. Now lie. Now lie. So that is the only reason I see one of the thought say una own people not good. Say na make una they come they marry Bini. If una marry the Bini, wugwa ye jinya yahu, unyi wugwa ni oye ladian. That confusion when they with una. If una they with Bini, una go they find Robo. If una they with Robo, una go they find Isha. If una they with that Bini, una high go see the Isha. Una go see they find how una want to betray that woman, abandon una children. So wetin come be if they marry another people that they behave with a lie. It's a big lie. They cannot do that to Ishan girl. Wait I stay like Ishan girls. We say they know they wait for all this nonsense. Say they can't born many. As the job they make bam, they don't take their bag waka. They know they wait too much, and I like them for that. Now Benin woman they told her. Come they zingbe, they take the patient for waiting, for useless man. They say he shall not stay husband. Why they go stay? For this type of man with me, I don't see. I lie. And I lie. Now only Benin, they stay. They will come on. You know better who they do as when they talk say they do a shower, they go they no go hustle. Each man can be with you 1 month, 2 months, 3 months at home. For no quarrel because he say you they progress or you get money passing or you they arrange your life passing. Go just they jealous. He want to take your position. Many of them they don't know their agenda. Whether they be man, they be woman, they don't know. They don't know. The ones who I don't see, they don't know where did they be. They jealous like say na swear they take and swear for them. They cannot withstand a woman progress. Ishame. They cannot. So, may we look this program. If we will see this program when this lady do.
Severely when she get belly, she can call police. So the guy don't already get police problem. All the time go they use and take bully and say, hey,
if you call police for them, no problem. They will carry the paper of the police. They will show out to all the old guests who they want to sleep with. They no go talk why you call police for them. Now lie. Oh, don't be all made like Ishame.
I don't like that comment, okay? I'm not blocking you, but I delete it. Please don't do it again. Sure, you even have can come help me for something. You know they help they get 2 children.
That one are their food. They know they help you. If they just say you they work, they get money. You know they give them.
Women go call in, they go.
Wait, if they say you they work because they know they like to work. Now where they know for work, now many of them want come eat. If they say you they work, now punishment for you. Now punishment that your work. They will use that pikin, take suffer you, make you know they feel they work. And they not go find money come. They don't go help you clean house. They not go help you cook. They not go help you do nothing for house. Even those at 11 o'clock they come for work, now they do something. If they don't mind, many of them they play gamble too. They could go they gamble small money with they with them.
Up you go help them. He say the major problem right now Ishan people go say make they not carry their matter go Facebook.
Which is true.
Oh, the girl said the thing really they kill her.
You go they die inside. Hypertension will kill you.
They treat them right now. He said especially all these new ones, even the old ones.
Now the worst.
Don't copy character.
Tradition shit.
This time of do something.
Tradition will not make una get nothing.
If see their own picking, they feel use and
do money. Not true. Many of them they go Malaysia, go India, and go they sell their kidney. Can't they go they buy hostels, they buy things, they build aspiration.
He said then a competition, the boys right now na back. They no want even cooperate. The reason why they give you belle now make you give the children money quick back.
They hide they everything. Ishama go tell you say your money woman na you.
So then she come dey look for place to go ease herself out and all that. So that one was soft for her. I sent her to Lolo, and you know we are into women in distress, hanging out 5 days. Only say this women in distress 5 days. So now we can't do our own finish. So this other lady can call. She said she did with her husband for 18 years long for abroad, no picking. And then with the husband don't pass through so many trials and tribulations.
They will make you pass through everything.
Until one time, the husband no can get work for country where they did. Their sister-in-law can say make they come another side. They can't come. As they come there now, sister-in-law and the sister, they will go market. But sister-in-law be get where no be saying na get where they pay. He rent house for the small girl. Oga na Ishan, they be Ishan. The same that tribe today. Oga go enter the small girl room and the small girl can't be Bini girl.
That one they cook there well. Cheating. Cheating.
Hey. For every afternoon. Before you know the girl can't get belle. And brother Ishama be done they do it wife for 18 years long. He never come. Traveling is part of education. Yeah, it's very many of our ladies need it. Do you know this lady we gave it to? She have not traveled out of her city.
Yes,
her country.
You have to travel out. If you just go through that stress,
she have not traveled out.
Even though saying you don't go out of your country, just go
the only thing that break my heart is I don't want my identity
I don't travel like that. Nobody even tell me. Travel week.
But she really appreciate down to earth. She really do. You understand? And the lady she stayed with also commend her that she was such a nice person, you know.
Fine girl.
So
if you don't reach you, now devil you gonna carry at the end.
Oh yes, so God bless me and my family and Lolo too. She's the initiative. She's the one that initiated.
Part two. Like part two.
I know the last person where they plan for me. You see, they then are better.
No, part two. The women for they call. We will listen to their call. You will still help some of you now. Let's move on. Yeah. Okay. Let's say on the call.
The other woman again, they regret saying marry Isha man, and the other one say Isha man they too stingy.
Stinginess.
Since when this
you don't talk about food. Stinginess. Food not go food there. Say Isha man go make me go look. Now you be man for us. If you want marry Isha man, ready to be a man. Okay. Akbo ya eri agbe ohuo yan kin ohuo ni bun alarewo na woman many of them for past come ma Jean I'm not sure say they their body I'm not sure that's all na for the see them they no man they fit go people party go they get low self-esteem now they get to boost them they fit go people party go chop 500 bet they will never bring money for food. They don't know whether they eat, but they eat for us. Their children, they know they calm down and put again.
Something back home, can't just start. It just remains small. May Isha may use. Today, they can't tell the girl say the girl where fed your ass, he get belle, he get belle nice. Thank God the lady also she na still FBI sabi. Do 1 + 1 = 2. You understand? Ha! Then say, I be my sister. Something happen. When made this get pack come off our house just like that. And now they don't pack. They say, get belle.
You say the husband come and chop the girl wey the sister when they go visit
house. Where the girl don't stay pack this man will be Ekpowa before. You know they stay at ass again. Every now and then you must see why you want go waka. You must see why you want go waka.
Hey, oh yeah, he go get fine woman for house. He go dey pretend that if say that woman have problem. Right now, he get problem. If you did that kind of marriage, don't allow anybody to make you feel like you will have problem. You have no problem. Now they get problem.
The man don't confess, say no be ordinary and you take do.
Now so that they do am. Hey, now so that they do am. They not go sleep with woman. They not spoil you beauty.
They use the village to the post.
They not go sleep with woman. They not spoil the woman when they get. They not fit toast woman. I go show now to toast woman.
I just say me about threatening this girl. This girl now your husband give her belly. He said now so your husband come back from outside. They start to the fight with the man. The man say hey. As you come they say now me get the problem. Now me get the problem. Nah. It don't show say no be me get the problem. Now the lady say, "How you take no say no be you get the problem? This girl they walk. You know whether if I get belly before you start to sleep with her." He said, "This is shaman. Say lie yo. This belly na you. You go carry on." He said, "As before Jack Robinson." Brother don't pack come for his sister house.
That one they quick them. They feel pack 20 times come for us. Also they know they pay. They don't pay for food. They don't pay for water. They don't pay for their children. Nothing. No shame. Ishama, they are shameless. I say so.
My pikin don't they go. Let her know because before you say na trouble day. Now you don't do kick.
Two face.
You don't person don't get belly. Just sleep and don't let me yak them. Anytime we got to bring you home, you go also born. See they can't tell her like that. Now he can't the verse. He can't verse. 8 months come knock.
Relax, my shame.
Then as 8 months come read, now he can say what he go do now. He don't verse tire. This man, he no call her. Even baby they don't born. This man no even call her to tell her say, the woman don't born. Now you can call her.
Now she will get time they call her idiot self.
No problem. You understand? Now you can call her. No, me, I did not say I would not just take people in my hand. I would take responsible. I would not just take Facebook people. Sorry, guys. Oh. Everybody's place, they complain. So they say Abriba boys.
Distracting. Conversation.
Okay.
First start for the
Ishame.
Okay.
I know say many of them will come line now because they want talk their matter, you know. But the ones who
they go they hide because of Beruni and Guala when I the truth you will not see for their hands.
Okay, thank you so much. I so much appreciate for calling. So please tell us, this thing I'm saying, is it really true that
it's true? It's true. All the old behavior bad and you women wanna not do say you be Benin. Now lie if that Benin yourself now why you
but there is no need to keep it. Sometimes they take it's private. You must not keep everything to yourself. You say it out, you listen to what people will say to you, you understand? Okay, so make we talk my own before that people would they call in.
Ishama will give you BP.
Ishama to carry tradition for head.
They know who carry tradition, wickedness.
That tradition, they affect their
marriage. Tradition.
Some of them, not all, but I think 70%. If 70% are carrying tradition around, making problems, so the remaining 30, what is there?
Ishama is a drama king. If there is no drama, he will look for dustbin, look carry drama come out into your life.
The old one, now God just use mistake. Now God just give you.
Now the old one was past.
You forget. Now they are worse than devil.
He said they are worse than devil. Try this girl. Don't meet them again. Oh, this girl don't meet them again. This girl don't jump them.
Your husband, Uromi people are 419. It's people you have to run for. You understand? So you know this
Now,
say you
they
deal
talk,
with
if you
Uromi,
meet
man, you
more,
take pride. Before my dad died, my dad make a clear to us, say, me and you of us don't marry Uromi, man, come house.
the
Why?
business where they do.
He say,
Man,
we
when they
play
do
us, we
419,
play our
they
mama,
play
we
you
okay,
419.
in-law.
Say, don't
Okay,
talk
my
about it.
lady, because the old people were really judged to me. I
Though
don't
the
lie,
women
God
two
no.
face, now they
All of
two
this, so
face.
Uromi. I still
I
as
say
like
so.
that girl where
If
they
no one
beat
go
with
drink
glass.
acid, man, go
She
drink
na
am. I
Uromi.
tell you
That
too.
is baby father na Uromi. This woman where your
I
husband
love
give
Betty.
person belle, he na
Yeah, where
Uromi. He baby father na
naked
Uromi.
and
He husband na Uromi. The other one where still cry on na Uromi. So
no be all
is it
Romeo,
that
no
na
be
only
Romeo, West
Uromi
all of them.
or
Hero, all of
other
them.
tribe they
No,
were still
the
bad
bad
for Isham?
ones,
I
fully
bet more
fed.
na
I
split
go
the
dey
things.
sure but the ones when they lead for 419 na Uromi.
Okay.
Right from Benin, right from small pikin, all the pocket pickers when they Benin, all the 419s now Uromi
This
they be.
girl,
Every other ones they just they follow up. You understand?
okay.
You know, guys, Uromi person they small rich. As far as say don't carry that name, say
Criminal
na mama they
minds.
born there, na papa they born there, they are 419. Run for them.
Always
That
thinking
is
of
just the
evil
truth.
to do to
They
their
follow
fellow
by
woman, that to
Ekuma.
hurt their fellow woman.
Ekuma people too like to they cheat their women. It's all about my own, my family, my family. If you only talk about your family, so
You see they like to the
you
you
don't
see
care
they
about
like to the
Ekuma. Like example,
all
I have an
very
Ekuma man.
selfish
You get
human
opportunity
being.
to bring
Isha
every
people,
family.
their
First of all,
children
bring
self
the
not
wife
who
come.
can't.
Bring
Very selfish.
come. He carry a younger sister come. This woman, when he
If they
married
never
once,
live
never
their
bring
life,
any of
make it be
He
say
was
not to
the
the name. They know they see whether other people they live. Evil people.
No be Benisha, Isha.
Me I know that. I just say
Omaye gbayan, oma no mission, oma le, owe fi.
I just say
Because I go enter because I dey hold do say tribalism. They too dey do tribalism for Nigeria. Some tribe they will need to stay away from. I said so. If you want to follow them, go their forum, go read their behavior. You go wrong. If you not coincide with the man when you with them there. If I did open high like 14 years ago, I won't fall for rubbish.
Bring all the family several times. Only one time this woman open my say, only when you will bring my person still come. Or your family don't.
Because now your family wants start to control this marriage now.
For her to bring the wife, younger sisters or brother, he bring the mama come when he don't fair enter you before. And so you can imagine that kind of people. And their moms back home, if they back
them.
They
This
back
color
them.
chop kiss, this color too much.
Because they back them.
If this issue they grow like this,
But that many me, I not get bad mother-in-law. Yeah, my mother-in-law na so we did
guys
that.
where they call, where all these small new boy they. If you see the way that they use them, beat them, ha!
Now their work now.
Since when we use Benin men, they cry. You know,
It
since
go
Benin
beat
men,
you,
they no
make
dey let
your
them beat
moral
women
for day
again.
down.
Now, mad, they come they talk.
If you too dress,
People not talk.
whether they want put uniform for their head or whether they want put clothes for their body.
Ishame, you go see they go change character.
Esu.
Ọpẹ ìkàlà wo me wo gwe. Weke mona vie latia. Ni maki happy ya.
Who you want judge to when Ishama they do evil? Who you want judge to? Go call your uncle now. Go call your mama. If you don't talk to your mama, he go pass back, call his mother, lie. He go demonize you, give them for that side. Everybody will hate you. Unless people that really know you.
We are still here. Sorry, we are still here.
They don't fit.
Hey, they say you are right, 100%. God will bless you, my sister, for coming now. Anybody will go back, go they cause that.
Now God will punish them. Now God will punish them. They know they fear Holy Ghost. Fire lala, and they go drop them. Now so, and they go keep quiet. Their picking go they die in silence.
Hello, Monica, good evening.
Good evening, we are hearing you.
Okay. So, me, I want to contribute a decision,
okay.
But I not be open.
Okay, thank you.
Why you be say their guests they marry Igbo? Mona ask them because they not worth, they not valid as man. All my Asian friends, women, like all of them marry. What I want to do, each and one to go for people. Only looked.
I will not call it mistake, but it was out of way. Person don't know.
Pretentious. Very pretentious human being. I go talk when we say he get diploma for life.
Now, Ishan, whom are you be? Now, Ishan, oh, now just go bless you now.
If na me do this video come out now, they'll say because he married Shama, the man don't live. Now only the man did this word. You baragmuna. I said don't find this up. I cry follow one man. I look like woman wey be say na for only one rat. Too big. Bologbe. Biani alele. Oye bofio so biano bia. For a year now you go get everything completed. And the man will know what you have sense. Know himself. Hey, Puke. He go say he go find her. People will be say they go dig grave alone. They go, nobody go even stand near them. They go suffer. Enough is enough. Others quiet, when are quiet, not quiet for who? You go to suffer. You go to quiet for waiting. Now, person give her a wish. See how now they make woman they feel. Listen. See how soon they make woman they feel.
The mama Naisha also.
Okay. See how soon they make woman they feel. They tell woman ban.
See your people.
They tell woman ban.
This thing we are
Are they so? I sit down. Now so these people be.
Bring this
They
thing
say they talk and say
awareness.
because I hate to the do shabalism.
Want to kill us because of do something back home.
I can't go there forum. Can't they do investigation? When I see everything, it coincides with all everything when I don't go through.
You don't tell me, say maybe he don't first before, nothing like that. Say maybe he don't go one for journey.
So we'll get 10 children so they go they lie. Is there one woman go poison woman for this lie they come? No, no, say not be all woman be precious, not be all woman be real, okay? Not be all woman be all this color.
To follow you pass through that dungeon. So I take my child and I walked out of the
Very good. And thank God so you not go jam all those useless women where they give stupid advice. If not, you for stay there. They bear nonsense. That is why I always say, don't, if you are not happy in a marriage, don't let any idiot advise you to stay. Imagine. They say you can never find peace with a woman you have made miserable. Look at how she's talking. This one will give you people sense.
Thank you, my lady. May I pick another call? Thank you. We understand your pain. Oh my God.
With the person not find for himself, you come bath. You come pack children for person. You say you will go they have peace for your corner. Story. We don't know the deep of this world. Who not call safe? Cause go follow the person.
Hello?
We are hearing you. Lower the one you are hearing from.
Okay, sorry.
If I may do this video now, I just sit down say me I do the video. I don't know how I will do Asian demon, but I just say I can't happy contact my ancestors say I can't draw my leg come by myself.
One guy said, Monica, now only you want just know everybody's story. I fear will not fear you. See, what you say you know everybody's story. Now waiting they bring for you, then you will talk as a presenter.
Now they draw their leg come out by themselves. Oh, we can see like it. Also to campaign. Disgrace like white. As now they carry on and say they hide, they destroy people. Mona go marry Asian, she to Asian. Or man, Billy Buwawa. No, you can't commit penny.